All right, this one's for all you young ones out there that are finally getting behind that bar and asking me for advice. I'm gonna give you 3 tips that's gonna make you a better bartender. First things first, grab yourself a cocktail book. Learn your balances, learn about your spirits, learn how to make some syrups, practice them at home, and then start using them behind that bar. Also, don't be embarrassed if you have questions. Ask your lead bartenders, ask the ones that have experience. Having a mentor in this industry is very beneficial to your bartending career. Up next, get yourself some bar tools and start practicing your techniques. The one thing that's a dead giveaway that you're a rookie is the way that you handle your tools. So make sure you grab a bottle, grab some good tools, and start practicing these techniques. Grab a bottle and a tin and practice your free pour and your cuts. Get comfortable with your jigger pours. Get comfortable setting up with your shake. Get comfortable with your strain. And please practice your stir. And lastly, remember, speed is very important. The faster you make a drink, the faster you and the business makes money. So remember to use both hands when you're working behind that bar. Keep your second step in mind. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, and be a faster bartender, right? And there you have it, rookies. There's 3 tips for you to become a better bartender. And learning flair doesn't hurt either.